The e-commerce game has changed. There are more channels now than ever before for consumers to buy products and brands to sell them. Between Amazon, Walmart, Target, eBay, and many more, the opportunity for explosive growth through multi-channel sales is enormous if you know how to approach each of these channels individually and holistically. For the first time ever, Teikametrics is bringing together some of the top names in the industry to help you understand where you need to be selling in 2022, how to approach each of these channels individually, and how to develop an interconnected multi-channel strategy. Over the course of 2 days, we're combining the power of extensive data and insights with real-life strategy from brands and people that have succeeded in developing a multi-channel approach to advertising and e-commerce, all to equip you with everything you need to expand across multiple marketplaces. Multi-channel success starts right here with Marketplace Madness. Click below to register, and let's make it rain in 2022.